Hello family. Today I'm going to make tater tot breakfast casserole. Let's do this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 6 eggs, and I split the recipe in half. Eggs have been checked. Remember, you put them in water, and if they float, they're bad. So I'm going to take 6 eggs, and I had some provolone cheese. So I'm just going to put some provolone cheese in here, just a little bit. I'm also going to add some pepper, some salt, some onion powder. You could add what you like, and some garlic powder. And I'm going to add, since I'm doing this in half, I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of milk to this. There we go. Now I'm just going to whisk this together here. Whisk up the eggs. I don't eat eggs very often, but sometimes I just crave them. And today's one of those days. So I got that mixed together. Set it aside. I got the oven preheating to 350. I have half a bag of, it's a 2-pound bag of tater tots, and it's about a little over a half a bag that I have left. So I'm just going to lay these in the bottom of the pan. I sprayed the pan with baking oil. Okay, now we are going to pour the egg mixture right over the top of this. I'm going to try to even out the cheese here. Okay, the next thing all I got to do is bake this until the eggs are set, like 40 to 45 minutes. And then we're going to, I'm going to top it with some cheddar cheese too, so. I like both cheeses, so I'm just going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese on top. And you can, add what you want to it. But this is what I'm going to do right now. I also have, I have bacon that I made and crumbled up. And that'll be added at the end before we serve it. I'm going to wait to add the bacon until I serve it because my girlfriend who's coming over to have breakfast with me, she doesn't like bacon, so I won't put it on hers. All right, in the oven it goes. We'll be right back. Okay, this came out of the oven. I'm going to let it set a minute, and then I'm going to add bacon. And we'll be back. Are you ready to eat? First bite. Here. I want some bacon on that too. Look at that cheese. Look at the cheese. Look at oh yeah. All right. Mm, mm, mm. This is really good. If I would have had onions cut up, I would have put those in there. But I use onion powder. I do have green onions I might top it with. My dog is at my feet begging. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.